we like don't have an actual table. It's like this wire cart. So I have to like have my legs spread eagle because I can't put my legs under anything. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today we are talking primers. So I'm gonna give you a little primer education, a little primer 101. Right, so first thing when choosing a primer is asking yourself the question, what do you want? Like the Notebook. You guys like the Notebook? When he's like, what do you want? That's what you have to ask yourself. What do you want? So do you have dry skin? Do you have oily skin? Do you have a lot of pores? Do you have fine lines? Do you have wrinkles? What sort of finish do you want? That is the first thing you need to decide, and then you can choose a primer. So I'm going to run through all of ours. First, I'm going to chat about our latest and greatest primer. It's our Quench Hydrating Primer. I actually used this under our Shape Tape Matte Foundation this morning because I did use our Blemish Bully Acne Spot Treatment on a few little friends here, and I didn't want the foundation to cling to those areas, so I really wanted to hydrate the skin before I put it on. So that's why I use this primer. It smells like coconut, which is so nice. It smells amazing, and it's just a really, really nice texture. It's also vegan and infused with antioxidants, those good for you ingredients that your skin craves. It has algae, marine flower extracts, hyaluronic acid, turmeric. It is just, can you see how hydrated my hand looks? And it smells amazing. Okay, next up is a primer for those with oily skin or large pores. It's our Poreless Mattifying Primer. And I am an OG lover of this guy too, because it really mattifies, and I love like instant gratification. So when you press this into your pores, you can literally just see them being filled, and I love that. It just blurs. I don't know. So if you can see, probably you can't, so that's pointless. This primer is vegan as well, and it is infused with those good for you ingredients, those skin nourishing ingredients, because like we say all the time, you're wearing your makeup longer than you wear your skincare, so your makeup should be infused with skincare ingredients. Bottom line, you should be treating your skin no matter if it's daytime or nighttime. You should take care of your skin. So always use products with good ingredients like ours at Tarte Cosmetics. All right, next primer. Can you take a guess? It has a gold cap in a little jar. It's our Timeless Smoothing Primer, and this is for those with fine lines, wrinkles. I have scars like all over my face because I was a menace as a child and I just got into trouble. So like, do I have a mustache? That's another conversation because I'm really nervous about shaving or waxing my stash over here because I have blonde hair and I don't want to like mess with it. So if you guys have any tips, if you're blondes and if you've shaved your stash or gotten it done, please tell me, is it a myth? Does it grow back thicker? I can't believe anybody, because then once I start, I won't be able to stop. I don't know. That's another conversation, but comment down below if you have any tips or tricks. Anyway, back to the primers. If you have any fine lines, scars, or wrinkles, then this is your guy. This is like a fresh one, and in my opinion, it looks like a little puddle. This is a very like creamy texture, and you can instantly feel that it smooths. All right, next are 3 multitasker products. So they're not specifically primers, but I am gonna talk about them anyway. All right, so we've got our Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. These are really great for a lot of different things. It's kind of like our maracuja oil in the sense that there's a lot of different hats. You can use this for your body. You can use this for a primer. You can use this on your lips, in your hair. Just gonna give you that really healthy glow before you put on your makeup. It's super hydrating, but it's like a dry oil, so it does dry down, and then you can apply your makeup and have it glow from within. Ooh. All right, next is our Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Mist, and I love this because it does it all. You can prep your makeup, you can set your makeup, you can just refresh the skin throughout the day. I do love this as a prep step though. So before I put my foundation on, spray this all over, kind of like let it dry, and it just kind of gives your skin a healthy look. It smooths out lines, makes your skin a little bit brighter. It has orange peel oil, lavender oil, coconut oil, caffeine, so it's really gonna wake up your skin and really treat your skin and prep it for your makeup. All right, next and last stop on this train is our Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I keep this at my bedside for before I go to bed. I like douse my skin in it, but I also recommend prepping your skin if you want like a dewy, radiant look. And it smells, I love to tell everybody, that smells like a spa. It like literally smells like a spa. All of you watching at home, think of a spa. What does it smell like? Cucumbers and like eucalyptus and very fresh. It's just very refreshing. I'm gonna make the studio smell like a spa. People are gonna think I've been giving massages and facials in here all day. Woo! Love that smell. All right, so that is my primer lineup. I hope you learned something. Comment down below if you've used any of these primers, or comment down below if you're gonna try one, or if you think that I'm cool. But I don't need your reassurance because I know I am. Bye. All right, we're done here. Bring that ass back.